Hello everyone, in this video we're going to look at the lesson 3 homework. And the first question, the triangle x plus 6, 8x minus 6. You know that if you add all three angles together, you will get a 180. So x plus 6 plus 8x minus 6 equals 180. Then you solve for x. So x plus 8x is 10x, which equals 180. So x equals 18. Okay, so you plug it in and finish the next one. Okay, so next one, a piece of 48 centimeters long cut into two pieces, each to be bent, make a square. So the length of a side, you have x. For this one, x, the parameter is 4x. For this one is x plus 4. The parameter is 4, because you have 4 sides. You see you have 4 sides. The parameter for this one is 4x plus 4. So this one equals 48. Then you got 4x plus 16 equals 48. So you got 16x equals 32. You got x equals 2. So the length of the, let me see, 4x plus 16, 2 pieces. The length of the short one, so x equals 2, and then it's going to be, let me see, 48, 4x plus 16, 4x plus 4x, oh no, my bad, this is 8x. Okay, so x equals 4. So the length of the short side, 4 times 4, which is 16. Longer side, which is 4 times 8, which is 32. Okay, so for each of this square is 4. For each of this is going to be 8. Next one, find 3 consecutive odd numbers. So first, suppose the first one is x. Because they're odd numbers, consecutive, the next one is going to be x plus 2. For example, 1, 3, 5, right? The difference is 2. So next is x plus 4. The sum of the first, x, 2 times the second, x plus 2, 3 times the third, x plus 4, and equals 22. So x plus 2x plus 3x plus distribute 4, distribute plus 12 equals 22. So 6x equals 6. So x equals 1. So it's going to be 1, 3, 5. The answer is 1, 3, and 5 for this one. Okay. Next one, is 7 a solution? We can plug it in. 7 minus 8 bigger than 2 times 7 minus 2. Negative 1 bigger than 12, which is wrong. So it's not a solution. Is negative 16 a solution? Negative 16 minus 8 bigger than negative 16 times 2 minus 2. So it's negative 24 bigger than negative 34, which is yes. So it is a yes, a solution. Is negative 11 a solution? Negative 11 minus 8 bigger than negative 2. 2 times negative 11 minus 2, which is negative 19 bigger than negative 24, which is true. So yes, it is a solution. And negative 3 a solution. Negative 3 minus 8 bigger than 2 times negative 3 minus 2. Negative 11 bigger than negative 8. No, it's not a solution. Okay. So next one, 7x bigger than 21. X is bigger than or equal to 3. So you choose this, D. And then it's bigger than, so it's on the right hand side. Equal, we choose brackets. Parentheses means not equal. Okay, so if it's less than or equal, sorry, bigger than or equal to, if it's or equal to, we use brackets. Okay, so 3 bigger than negative x, bigger than equal to negative 6. The answer would be divide everything by negative 1, at the same time switch the inequality. So it's negative 3 less than x less than equal to positive 6. It's going to be choose this one. You type in negative 3 and you type in six. Okay, so next one, 2 less than 3y plus 11 less than 20, 3y less than minus 11 minus 11 minus 11 less than 9 bigger than negative 9. So y is less than 3 bigger than negative 3. Okay, so negative 1/3 less than 1 over 9 x minus 5 less than equal to 1/3. We multiply all of them by 9. So negative 1/3 times 9 is negative 3. Basically, you want to multiply this by 9, this by 9, this by 9, this by 9, all of them by 9, so it's the same thing. You multiply by 9 on both sides. So negative 3 less than x minus 45 less than equal to 3. So x less than equal to 48 bigger than 42. You're going to choose less than equal to this one right here, and 42, 48. Okay. Alright, this one, the age 5 needs medication. So now we're just plugging in 5 over 5 plus 12d less than equal to 150 less than 150 bigger than 50. So solve for d. So you got 5d less than 150 multiplied by this, because this is 17, right? You multiply everything by 17, so 50 multiplied by 17 less than, and divide everything by 5. So d is less than divided by 5, divided by 5, divided by 5, less than 30, so it's 510, bigger than 170. Okay. Next one, we solve for equation 9y minus 6y plus 13 equals 31. 3y equals subtract 13, subtract 13, so 18, y equals 6. So this one, a certain triathlon consists of 2 mile, like 3 parts, okay, of running, swimming, bicycling, running. Okay, so it's 2.2 miles, 105, 226.2. So you have complete the first part is 3, 1, 2, 3, 3 as much as the left remained, right? Suppose this is the x, then this is a 3x. This is what he has completed. So 3x plus x equals the total is 2.2 plus 105 plus 26.2. So then you have 4x equals 2.2 plus 105 plus 26.2 equals 133.4, and x equals divided by 4 equals 33.35. Then you use this one multiplied by 3, 33.35, because that's what he completed, and times 3 equals 100.05. So this is going to be just 100. Okay. So next one, appliance store television set 22% off. Then you have that. So original price is X. Now you have 22% off. So which is 0.2, right? 0.2x off. So basically you have 1 minus 22%, which is the discount. After discount, how much? Okay, so multiplied by the original X, this is the original price, is basically just the 78% of the original price, equals 78.92. So X equals 478.92 divided by 0.78. It's 614. Okay, so next one with the plan 1 is 140 plus the extra 50% of the remain. So it's going to be X minus 140, because 140 it will cover the first pay for 140, the remainder pay 50%, so it's 0.5. The second plan is 280. No, so this is plan 1. Plan 2 is 280 plus X minus 280 multiplied by only 20%. So say when does the plan 2 save more? So we just have save more. So plan 2 is less than plan 1. 280 plus X minus 280 multiplied by 0.2 less than 140 plus X minus 140 times 0.5. This is plan 2. This is plan 1. Plan 2 saves money, so it's less than. Then we just solve it, distribute it. So you have 280 plus 0.2x minus, multiply that, 56 less than 140 plus 0.5x minus 70. Okay, then we shift the x to this side, so it's 0.3x and bigger than, because this is 0.3x bigger than, right? And we shift everything to this side. This is 280 minus 56 minus 140 plus 70. So put this one this side, put this on this side, put this on this side, to change the sign at the same time. So then you solve for x. 0.3x bigger than 280 minus 56 minus 140 plus 70 equals, divided by 0.3 equals 113, nearest integer, so it's 513 and bigger than. Okay, so last one, and investment group. So basically you solve 2s plus 76 less than 2500. So s plus 76 less than 1250, and the s less than 1250 minus 76 equals 1174. So that's what you do, 1174. Okay, that's all of the lesson 3 MATLAB Plus.